Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for ShopReady Pro plugin for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to on your WordPress website. So let's get started. I will provide you the direct product link in the description box, so just check the description link and you will attack this type of product page. Okay, so here you can see we mention all the necessary details on this product page, and here's the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access, and we will install this product with our original license key in a few minutes. That's a simple process. License type original license key we have, so you will receive regular future update. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, WhatsApp number with country code and email address for invoices and other information, and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video, and if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section, and thank you for watching this video.